Plans on going to college and playing football and running track. Future plans, possibly the NFL, maybe at the barbershop, we'll have to see. And his awards and recognitions here at the school, state track finalist 2 years straight, and the 100 meters, 200 meters regional champion. Antoine Story. CJ Baker is being escorted by his parents, Alicia and James. CJ has played football for Nature Coast for 4 years and is a team captain. He is also a part of the wrestling, weightlifting, and track team. CJ plans to attend college and obtain a degree that will help fulfill his desire to become a football coach. Mr. CJ Baker. Justin Beats being escorted by his parents, Michelle and Billy. Justin has played football for Nature Coast for 4 years. He has earned high honors and was the Defensive Player of the Year as a sophomore. Justin also participates on the baseball team. Justin plans to attend college and earn a degree in law. Justin Beats. Jamel Bird is the son of Karen Bird. He is being escorted by his brother Jason and sister Jesnelia Bird. Jamel has played football for Nature Coast for 1 year. He is also a part of the basketball and track team. Jamel received an award for being the most valuable player on the basketball team. He plans on attending college, however has not decided on a major as of this time. Jamel has put his future in God's hands. Jamel Bird. Mr. John Carbone is being escorted by Paula and John. John has played football for Nature Coast for 4 years. He is also a part of the weightlifting and wrestling team.